Let's see how to correctly install Cusco rear and front tow hook to Toyota GR Yaris. They're different one. The back one is a round one and plastic capping, and the front one is a square one, so just try to do it. I will tape them together that the hole will be nicely in the center. So now it's in a one piece, and now we put the tape on. So like you see, the plastic cap and the hook is not on the center, and also mark down those lines and right side to make it perfect. So let's see how it fits now. Does it? Okay. Oh, good. Let's remove the stickers. So first is done. We have to open it here, here, and here. Quite freaky, but yeah, I think we will open it now, like this one. So be very careful, it's plastic. So second one, we will just drill it. So fits perfectly. And now I install this one. Done. Looking good.